See you in the garden.
So I now have a constant supply of coffee grounds. Smells so good. Makes me want to drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. Anyway, beautiful. About this much every week, they said. It's the same place I get my buckets from. Look, guys, go to your local pub, your local restaurant, whatever. I'm also getting a bucket of protein for the chooks, all the bones, and the chooks can pick the bones clean, and I'll pick up all the bones and make my bone meal from it. So, you know, look, it's still out there. Just go and do it. Make an effort. This is good. First thing I'm going to do with this is put it in my black soldier fly farm. Beautiful. A little bit of it's a sugar packet there. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Just go and ask your local restaurant, your local whatever. You can feed your animals for nearly free.